How to create and customize a list view in Salesforce. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So it is very simple. First, you just want to open up the object that you want to create this new list view in. For example, leads or opportunities or whatever it really may be. So in this case, I'm just going to go for leads and open up a list view, any list view. And then from here, you simply just want to locate the gear icon. So list view controls. You should be able to find it down here, not the one on the top. So make sure you click on that and select new. Once you do that, you simply just want to go ahead and give it a name. Then you can just go and select who sees this list view. If you're still working on it, I suggest that you just leave it as only I can see this and click on save. So the first thing you will need to be adjusting is the filters. So what is actually going to be shown in this list view. First, you can just click on the filter by owner, and it's going to be my leads by default. But if you want it to showcase all leads, you can just go and select that and click on done. Next up, you can start adding more filters, like just click on add filter in here and select the different fields that you want to showcase. And then you are just basically going to build this little logic. So the operator is equals by default. You can make it not equal to, less or equal, greater or equal. And then the obvious value here. So if you just want to showcase fields that have ratings of hot, then in that case, you can just create this filter and click on save. I'm just going to remove it because I don't really need it, and click on save from the top right. Next up, we also want to change the fields here. This is a very important part of a list view. So you can just feel free to really customize the fields options here. To do so, again, click on the same gear icon. Just make sure your new list view is selected. And click on select fields to display. Once you click on that, you should be able to find the visible fields, which are the ones that are applied right now, and also the available fields that you can feel free to add at any point. So you can just feel free to remove, like click on any visible field and click on the left arrow. This is just going to move it out. So you can just feel free to remove, for example, the lead status unread by owner. I'm just going to remove that. And you can just move things back in, like the company. You can just click on it and move it by clicking on this right arrow and click on save once you're happy with the different fields. Also, you can make the list view showcase a chart by clicking on the charts icon here. And this is just going to generate a chart for the entire thing, basically. And yeah, lastly, if you're actually happy with your list view, you can just click on the gear icon one last time and select the sharing settings. Make it so that other users can also see it. Click on save and you're pretty much good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.